Give me your coordinates. I'll find you a safe landing site.
There's not going to be a safe landing.
But I can try and force it down.
I'll get Howard on the line. He'll know what to do.
There's not enough time. This thing's moving too fast and it's heading for New York.
I got to put her in the water.
Please, don't do this. We have time. We can work it out.
Peggy. This is my choice. Peggy.
I'm here.
You're going to need a rain check on that dance.
A week next Saturday at the Stork Club.
You got it.
Steve? Steve?